Morning. We are on our holidays. We're in Aviemore. It's pissing it down. It's not very nice. But we're going to see some charity shops. I'm googling the charity shops right now. There's Buffy. You saying hello? There's Xander. You saying hello? So we're at a wee car park in Aviemore that we were at the last time as well, and it didn't go down very well because the pub was open and they were all out drinking and Xander was petrified, everybody having fun. Well, last night the pub shut. That's why we came back to this car park, because the pub is now closed. It's done.
We had the train going mental.
But the trains all night were just...
No, just trains.
No, it was hearing something else as well, because that was the back of 2:30 before I actually got to sleep. Sharon's trying to say it's a steam train that was last night, so you're having to wait, and obviously them filling it up with coal and everything and it heating up. So it's not just the train starts, the train goes. The train starts, the train's still there an hour fucking later. So I think we're done with this car park. I think we need to find somewhere else in Aviemore.
It's a bit of a nightmare because it is just so ideal, isn't it?
It is so ideal, but every time I come here I don't get to sleep. That was him to about 2, then Sharon snoring, then Buffy, don't know what she was doing. And I'm like, I've not even got a spare room here, I can just go to and go to sleep. I was like, well, go to sleep on the couch. I was like, I'll still hear her snoring there on the couch. So I made temporary earplugs with toilet paper. They were useless. So we're heading to Ullapool today. Our wee favourite. I love that drive. It's horrible, it's rainy, it's wet, but it'll still be a nice drive even in the rain. Eh?
Better than the A9.
Better than, although the A9, I wish I'd actually filmed a wee bit of the A9 last night, because it was nice. It was a nice sunny night and it was just that golden colours, all the trees and all that autumn golden brown. It was just dead nice. And then about the last hour out though, it started raining. In fact, I'm sure at one point it was snowing, eh? I'm sure we were driving through snow at some point. Heading up to Ullapool today, where it just looks like it's raining up there for the next 5 days, to be honest. But we've got dry robes. We're just going to have to get wet.
So, where are we today?
We are in Vanlife, baby! Ready to go over our favourite bridge, because it's a bridge that takes you to all the nicest places in Scotland.
So we're heading to our next favourite place, Ullapool.
Ullapool, baby! Aviemore's our favourite place because it's a nice chippy. Ullapool's our favourite place because it's a nice Chinese. Lock-Inver's our favourite place because it's nice pies. And Durness is for the dogs.
Right, we're just heading straight to the dog's favourite place tomorrow, aren't we?
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll be at a lovely campsite. We're actually going to a campsite.
Yeah, are you going to a campsite? Campsite right on the beach, well, top of the cliff on the beach, but it's an easy cliff to walk in, it's fine. And they might still have food open in Durness. Everything might not be totally shut yet because it's still only October. Yeah?
We're going shopping, aren't we? We're cooking stuff.
We are cooking. We're going to have to cook.
Obviously I would just stay in the fridge if we can not, but let's see.
I'm going to freezer, it'll just go home with.
It's good to have in the fridge. For holidays, why do we want to cook? You know what I mean? We can help it. Nothing wrong with that.
I don't even like cooking when it's normal.
So we're just going to go over our favourite bridge, and then after that it's just a nice wee road all the way to Ullapool. And we're just going to chill out when we get there. Says go and get something to eat, maybe go to the shop tonight or tomorrow, don't really know. We're having like no set plans this week, isn't it?
The only set plan I have got is chilling out. I would quite like a bit of boredom fun in there.
be getting that after we arrive tomorrow. And that's it, we're going to stay there for a few days, good few days, like mostly Monday, all of Tuesday, all of Wednesday. Then I think we're going to head back to Lochander, get our pies for dinner that night, and then go and stay in Deer Road somewhere. Hopefully see some.
If we can hear the deer rutting or see the deer rutting.
So it's going to be a good 4 days with nothing much happening.
I want to get to that park up quite early so that we won't waste the daylight because the clocks have changed actually. What time did we get up at the day then? 10:30?
Would have been nice, yeah.
Say. Surprised the dogs weren't clawing at us there in the Xander fed.
They weren't for moving this morning.
They weren't bothered.
That's the best bridge in the world, isn't it? Better than Sky Bridge.
I do quite like Sky Bridge as well, but
No, but this takes us to somewhere much nicer. And Sky's lovely, so it's not taking anything away from Sky, but this is just... It's our favourite bit in Scotland.
yeah, favourite part of Scotland.
Very nice, isn't it?
You and me together on the open road, drop top the ceiling and away we go. No need to wait for summertime. Anywhere with you is like paradise. Feel the sun rays running through our veins. Yesterday's blues feeling miles away. Crank up the tunes on the stereo, sending good vibes here to Tokyo. Let's roll, there's no time to wait. Let's go, yeah, we're on our way. So here's to the good times. Cheers to the good life. All we need is a little bit of sunshine and some company to feel alright. Here's to the good times.
Does feel like home up here, it really does. It always has.
Yeah.
Everything's so right. This life is more than we could dream. So alive, take it in, just breathe. So here's to the good times. Cheers to the good life. All we need is a little bit of sunshine and some company to feel alright. Here's to the good times. Here's to the good times.
That's us. That's the dogs, and those were the rides.
This is what a rainy day in the van looks like. Sham's watching the football. Buffy's sleeping. Xander's sleeping in front of the heater. And I'm
It's miserable
editing.
outside, absolutely.
It is, it's really bad. You can't even see, there's a camper van just appeared. But we're totally alright with it, aren't we?
Yep.
We are enjoying just chilling out. The dogs aren't bothered. They've had a bit of a walk, so that's enough for them. It's raining, they didn't enjoy it. They're happy to be in the van. So all we need to do is go and get dinner. Go to Tesco's. That's it, eh? Job's done for the day.
And we'll be back in for about 7 o'clock. Get everything done in pyjamas.
So it genuinely is a day being hauled up in the van.
And I'm alright with this for a few days.
Alright with this for the day. I think I need a word that we can't say because the dogs just go mad tomorrow.
We're doing that tomorrow, but
Yeah.
we drive tomorrow.
We don't even know. No, we are Durness tomorrow, innit? Yeah, so straight up to Durness tomorrow. It's about another 2-hour drive. But this is, so what have we done it? We've done it in 3 this drive. So the first bit of the drive is the A9, which we hate, but it was actually alright this time. Then the next bit of the drive is a bit that we love, but that wasn't as nice because it was pissing it down. So the Amore is our favourite drive, so it better be nice. But we're not sure now. We're going to stay at Durness for 3 nights, but the campsite's still open. So we like to go to Sango Sands when it's actually no officially open, and then they only charge you 20 quid a night. Wee man comes round, collects the money off you, but it's still open. So for us to go for 3 nights, what was it? £102 for a campsite for 3 nights. And we don't need electricity, we don't need showers and that, but we could live without them. We've got the shower in the back that we've never ever used because we're not brave enough. 20 baby wipes. Right, I lost the footage explaining what's going on here. We were considering cutting our holiday short to go and see Peat Diesel, a band that we really like, and then this happened. So I wonder what's going on because he's on tour with them, but I wonder if he's just going home.
We all know a man like Calum Dan, and he drives around in a transit van, comes flying through Valhalla.
I think Sharon's on her way back, which means Buffy's tail will start going in a minute. As soon as she sees her. Honestly, you'd think these dogs were getting Chinese, but they're no. But this is what they do when any of us leave the van. They sit and they wait and they look at the window till we come back. And that's my early warning sign that Sharon's on her way back. Morning! So we're still in Ullapool. Oh my god, I look so old this morning because I'm all wrinkly because I've just woke up. A day, but look, I've got a big wrinkle right down there, right where I've been lying on my face. Anyway, morning for Ullapool. Last night was fine. We did have a lot of trucks in and out, but Xander seems alright with them. Are you not very happy, guys? Because you have to wear your towels. But you have to, because look at the state of my bed with yous already. You're getting everywhere soaking.
Here's to the good times.